Welcome to DataStage, a powerhouse for ETL operations. It's like the Swiss Army knife of data integration, helping extract, transform, and load data efficiently. With parallel processing, it speeds things up like a highway with no traffic. And if you're dealing with big data, this tool ensures you don't drown in information overload. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. DataStage offers multiple ways to handle files, whether you need batch processing or single record extraction. Sequential File Stage ensures simple, structured data flow, while the dataset stage helps with efficient large-scale data processing. Want more flexibility? Column Export keeps things structured, and RCP lets you adjust on the fly. Think of it as a customizable buffet of data processing. The sequential file stage is your go-to tool when working with text files. Whether you need to read or write data, it's got you covered. From CSV to fixed width, it adapts to different formats easily. Need to process a mountain of data? No worries, it handles bulk records like a pro. Plus, defining metadata helps keep your workflow structured. Just imagine it as your data librarian, keeping things in order. The dataset stage is the unsung hero of DataStage. It streamlines data storage, making things efficient. It's like having a super fast assistant who organizes everything neatly so you don't waste time searching. Parallel processing ensures speedy execution, and reduced I/O overhead means smoother operations. This is the secret sauce behind scalable ETL. RCP makes life easier by letting you process dynamic columns without needing predefined schemas. Just imagine if Excel auto-adjusted all your columns. Now apply that to DataStage. It enhances flexibility, ensuring seamless data integration while managing metadata automatically. So less manual work, more automation. Sounds good, right? Metadata is the backbone of data management. First, make sure the definitions are precise. Bad metadata means bad results. Second, validate it before using it, avoiding costly errors. Third, automate updates so you don't end up with outdated metadata. And finally, missing or inconsistent metadata. That's a headache. Handle it smartly so your processes don't break. Big data. No problems. Divide and conquer. First, break large files into partitions so processing doesn't take forever. Then, optimize partition sizes to strike the right balance between efficiency and speed. Leverage parallel execution to get things moving fast. But remember, keep an eye on resource usage, or you'll end up slowing things down instead of speeding them up. Large files can be a nightmare, so let's make them work for us. First, pick the right file format. It can make a huge difference in speed. Then avoid unnecessary operations. If it's not needed, ditch it. Optimize memory usage so your system doesn't grind to a halt. Finally, caching your secret weapon for speed. Use it wisely. Errors happen, it's a fact of life. First, make sure your error handling can catch problems before they wreak havoc. Logging errors, a lifesaver when diagnosing issues. Debugging tools, learn to use them like a pro. And lastly, self-healing processes. Sounds fancy, right? But it's all about designing systems that recover on their own. Processing single records may seem simple, but inefficiencies add up. First, reduce overhead. Every millisecond matters. If batch processing can be used, go for it. Keep transactional integrity intact, avoiding data corruption. And always monitor performance, because small inefficiencies can turn into big problems fast. Theory is great, but let's talk real-world applications. Data warehousing, optimizing storage and retrieval. ETL pipelines, making data flow smoothly. Machine learning. Proper data prep is key to accurate models and real-time data. Handle it efficiently or face the wrath of lag. To wrap it up, metadata matters, manage it well. Parallel execution saves the day when handling massive files. Optimize workflows to ensure smooth operations. And error handling. Do it right or prepare for disaster. Apply these principles and your data processes will be smooth, efficient, and headache-free. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.